Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some excellent fuel efficiency as well, coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a new look inside and out. But let's take a look at one of the newer features first. Of course, you have your tailgate that can go down remotely. And then you have the new design for the tailgate, giving you a rugged work surface with measurements and stuff. You've got holes on either side for your clamps. You've even got a 400-watt power outlet there. And then the hatch does also go back up remotely. You press the button and there we go. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for 3 within a full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as 2 more right here, with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. Seats which can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power telescoping, and folding towing mirrors. And then you have 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, as well as having a nice fully digital cluster. You can cycle through trip 1 and 2 info, your eco behavior, auto start stop status, driver assistance, and fuel economy. But you can also exit out of that and go to your truck info. You can look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, seat belts, and driver assistance. Then you have your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Then you do also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls, you have adaptive cruise control and lane keeping system here, with your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, your favorite screen, much like My View, where you can put any of those subcategories for ease of access, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. And then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again with the front and 360, your active park assist, hazards, and traction control shut off. This truck does also have a premium B&O audio system, so your music or whatever is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air conditioned front seats and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, as well as your drive mode selector here, where you can go into slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and then on the opposite end you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in there, and the button up here to open the compartment above your glove box for more storage. You also have this compartment down below with a USB and USB-C inside, as well as a slot for your phone while it's charging. And then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and it can also be collapsed, so you have more just room here for general stuff. And then you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which can be locked. And inside you have a removable tray and a ton of room, including another USB and USB-C. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, a twin panel moonroof up top so you can land the sunshine on a nice sunny day. That should cover our look at the interior. But if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.